Morning. Here's an example of some artist double page spreads. You'll see on Show My Homework I've attached some PowerPoints with examples, but these are some of the books that I have just to share with you. The most important thing with your artist page spread is to include your title, annotation and artist copies, and just a few little pages for you to have a look at. You can set yours out however you like. If you want to include little labels with annotation, you can do that, or you can present your annotation in boxes. The materials you use should really reflect the artists that you're studying on your artist pages. So for example, this one is very much about soft washes, washy layers of colour with watercolours. So they're the sort of effects that you'll need to include on your little copies. It's quite a nice thing to have a whole range of different sizes and scales of work. So you could have some artist copies which will actually fill most of the page, or you could have smaller sections as well, little studies of the artist's work and maybe details that you've drawn yourself. Experiment with different backgrounds, different papers. Some people like the annotation to go into different black card like this, or even masking tape, little labels. You can have annotation which literally flows around an image as well. So you can be quite experimental with how you do that. And finally, I think this book has some nice bits in it as well. Your backgrounds might be tinted or coloured in some way, but it should not distract from the actual imagery which is going on in the book. You can also include, I like this one because it includes little studies, little sketches which might have been added in of the artist's work